this is absolutely gorgeous this morning. Wow. You know, if you're a subscriber and you know, it's been a while since we've been on the beach fishing. So we're out here this morning, absolutely beautiful. I mean, it is kind of a north wind. And when it's a north wind, the beach is flat. Hey y'all, my name's Steven with Bama Saltwater. I'm glad that you can join me out here in my beautiful hometown of Orange Beach, Alabama. Got a Nomad Ridgeback long cast jig. And we're gonna try our luck, see if there's any mackerel hanging around or whatever wants to bite off this beach today. I did bring a cooler to keep some fish too. We'll try our luck. I'm just running some 40-pound fluorocarbon leader because these fish, a lot of these mackerel that are out here are pretty toothy, so they'll bite through if you're just using regular braid or a lighter leader. That's a nice Orange Beach sunrise. Cast the jig out. I like these jigs because you can cast them really far. You don't even have to get in the water. And you can reel it on top, or you can let it sink. Kind of jig it back to you. Let the fish dictate what they want. Got you that time. Bring you in. They use that leverage of that jig, the angle of the line, and the waves to their advantage. So let's see what we pull out of the surf this morning here. Hey, we got dinner. It's a nice Spanish mackerel right there. Check that out. Right off the surf. Heck yeah. And, oh man, I was going to show you what they're spitting up. I mean, I'm matching the hatch perfect. Oh, it just disappeared. But, heck, yeah. Not a giant, but in Alabama there are no minimum size limits. You're allowed 15 a person. We're going to throw him in our cooler. Take him home for dinner or lunch today. Probably should bring my cooler a little closer to me. You always want to be careful with these things. They have some serious teeth on them. All right. It's going to bleed out in there. We're going to get another cast out. Let's keep on getting after it. They're still busting right here. Oh yeah, they're busting out of the water. You know, they aren't giant, but something about fairly light tackle, small jigs right off the beach on a calm morning. Something anyone can do if you're down here. It's just fun. Got another one. Yep, just on a steady retrieve. Come on, see if I can get it on the beach here. Oh, come on, don't jump. No, it came off. Went right here in that surf zone. Dang, ladyfish is what it was. It's still fun, but not quite the dinner I want. Got one. See if they'll stay on the hook. He's jumping. Going pretty easy here. Oh, still on. Come here. Come on. Get on the beach so we can show you. There you go. Got it. No, that's a ladyfish. Yeah, they're thick out there right now. No. Some people do, but they're pretty low on that scale of. Yeah. Oh, mackerel's phenomenal when fresh, yeah. Obviously I moved spots because the bite kind of died down. But that bite there, so it's literally right at the beginning of the sunrise. And after that, it just gets so sporadic. There's tons of bait over here as well. So I'm gonna throw a Nomad Shikari jerkbait. This is a 95 size. About 20 pound fluoro leader on a lighter inshore rod. I hate that they put that there. You can't cast or you want to, but okay. Maybe a speckled trout's hanging around. I like to do a twitch, pause with this. Oh. Ah, son of a gun. Well, that's how my morning's going. A win. All right, north wind blew that out that way. Oh, good fish. That's a good one. Yeah, man. That's a really good one. Dang. Caught me by surprise there. Oh, it's a red. Nice red fish. Oh, we're gonna have to flip them. We're gonna have to flip them. Got him. Nice one. Alrighty, that's what I'm talking about right there. That's a nice red. Check that out. Perfect slot size, because we're no longer allowed to keep over slot fish in Alabama. So they do have to be 16 to 26 inches. That bunker color Nomad Shikari jerkbait, they come stock with these BKK hooks. They're a 4X strong hook, and you saw this not bend out. It's very strong. Kept them pinned nicely. Heck yeah, y'all. We have some lunch, man. Thank you. You're allowed 3 of them per person in Alabama. I'm so happy about that. Oh yeah, that was meant to be. He was not coming unpinned. I like, not a lot of lures you can take straight out of the box and trust the hooks, but they put some good hooks on there, so catch a lot on that, thankfully. There you on our ice bag. Oh, you were meant to be. Thank you, redfish. Look at that. So I have that jerkbait rigged up to some 20-pound fluorocarbon leader, about 2 feet of leader. Little uni to uni knot to 15-pound Panderra braid, Stradic 3000, and a Nomad Seacore Inshore spin rod. This is a 7.5 foot medium power fast action. Let's get back after it again. Trusty old jerkbait right there. It's hard to go wrong with. If you have a favorite, stick with that. But it's hard to go wrong with that size profile, slow float jerkbait with some good hooks. Catch pretty much anything on that profile of lure. That was a good fish there. Oh, that was another red. Oh man, followed it right back to me. What are you doing? That was a nice redfish there, just followed it back. Stupid fence extends past the seawall. Got another one. Gotcha. It's another good one. Yeah, this is pretty awesome, man. Is that another red or a trout? I think that's a red. Ooh. Gotta play him good. Got some good fight to him. Really good fight. Oh yeah, it's another redfish. No, yeah, I was about to say that was a big trout, but oh, got him again. Dude, that is pretty epic, man. That is pretty awesome. Thank you, Lord, for that. It's not all the time it's like that, but dadgum. Got another one right there. Perfect slot size fish. Oh yeah, and it was hooked really well. Thank you, buddy, for biting. That is incredible. Yeah, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spots on one side. And 4 spots on this side, so 10 spots total. Amazing, man. Let's get that hook out and see, maybe we can get one more. I don't know. I already made the trip right now. That's incredible, dude. Yeah, it was hooked so well. Man, you were not coming off, were you? Thankfully, it was, because I do not like having to pier flip these fish. But I was beach fishing, not where you don't really need a net. Okay, that's out. And that's a pretty redfish right there. Well, that's just awesome. No boat needed. Really, a very simple setup. Simple inshore stuff. And all artificial. And we have some nice fish to take home. Let's keep on casting, y'all. Y'all, so I caught a couple redfish, and we have a viewer. Brandon, it's nice to meet you, Brandon.
Nice to meet you,
yes,
man.
sir. And I'm gonna give him a redfish. Usually don't show this on video because I don't like showing things I'm giving away, but here you go, man. That's a pretty one.
Thanks.
Yes, sir. Now we both have breakfast for lunch. Yeah, man. Well, that's awesome, bro. I'm glad that you and you were able to get your pole back too that you lost.
Yeah.
So a little bit of luck there.
Yeah.
It was nice meeting you, man.
Nice
yes,
meeting
sir.
you. Yes,
Take care,
sir.
brother.
See you around.
Yes, sir. Alrighty, we're gonna head home or head to another spot to fish, I guess. Try our luck. Gorgeous day here, y'all. It's always pretty in Orange Beach, Alabama, but some days are just prettier than others. It is hot though. I think it's gonna be a heat index of 106 today. So anytime you're fishing in the summer, get out early or stay out late, or even nighttime. Oh, hey, what do we have here? Stop by another spot. Oh, is that a mangrove? It is. Nice. Oh gosh, he's not gonna be a keeper. They have to be 12 inches long, but that's another species for the morning. Oh, get out of these rocks. I'm trying to get them without getting bit. There we go. Stop. Beautiful fish, man. It's a gorgeous fish. All right, mangrove. Go back. Like I said, they gotta be 12 inches. He wasn't anywhere near that, so. But just throwing the same jerkbait. I should have thrown that in the surf this morning, but I didn't want to lose it to those mackerel. Another bite. Right in the same spot too. Right in, came off. I knew that was gonna happen. I don't know what that one was. There's another fish. This one feels really small. Small and feisty. What is it gonna be? What are you gonna be? What species? Oh, it's a little baby jack. That's what it is. Hey, it's another fish to add to the species list this morning. Little baby jack crevalle. They have no limits. They have no creel nor size limits. And they get really big. You've probably seen them before and seen me catch them. But very abundant this time of year. These size right here will pick your bait shrimp to where you have no more left if that's what you're fishing with. Between them and the pinfish. Oh, didn't mean to do that. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. There you go. That was a little jack crevalle. Very, very small one. Yep. We're right into all that stuff blowing up. You know, things aren't big, but there's a bunch of them. And it's just kind of fun because you really never know what you're going to pull out here. That's another undersized jack, but you see how ferocious they are. I mean, that lure is as big as he is in length, and that fish had no issue eating it. That's how they get to be so big. This is the Alabama giant trevally. It's actually just a jack crevalle, but it's fun. They're very abundant here. But I've pulled out schoolmaster snapper, dog snapper, mangroves. We've seen seahorses here, flounder, lizardfish, reds, trout, Spanish mackerel, pretty much everything you can think of. We've got swims out here. Runs through this time of year. Oh, that rock moves. A little too much for my liking there. Okay, I'm gonna call it for the morning. Cannot complain about that. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's actually pretty fun getting out early this morning, watching that sunrise, doing some land-based fishing, how I grew up doing. No boat needed, simple inshore stuff, couple jigs, jerkbait, getting it done. But I'm gonna go ahead back to my truck and probably go run some errands and stuff. But this was just a short fishing trip, you know, this time of year where the heat index is already 106 this morning, and it's 8:30. Get your fishing done early. So we'll see you on the next one. All of our partners and sponsors are linked in the video description below, such as Nomad. Obviously, you know, I use their stuff, it works for me. Mossy Oak Fishing Apparel and Camo, Hooked Up Bait and Tackle and Gulf Shores, Bird of Prey, and a few others. They're linked down below, along with my Facebook, Instagram, all that. Most importantly, and as always, I want to thank the good Lord up above for everything he does for us. We'll see you later.